Well, hi, this is Mr. Bauer, and today we're going to talk about fitting a line to data. Okay? Fitting a line to data. Well, in order to do this, we're going to have to understand a little bit about scatter plots. Okay? A scatter plot is nothing more than a graph with a bunch of ordered pairs on it. Okay? And I'm going to just draw a couple different ones. Okay? I'm just making points. These are just examples of scatter plots. Well, the one thing that we like to talk about with scatter plots is whether they have a correlation or not. Okay? Sometimes you'll look at a scatter plot and you'll see that all the dots are kind of going in the same direction. Like this one right here. Doesn't it look like the dots are kind of going up and to the right? And on this one, it looks like maybe they're going down and to the left. And on this one, it looks like they're just all over the place. Well, each one of those situations describes correlation. All right? If the dots look like they're going up and to the right, that is a positive correlation. Down and to the left is a negative correlation. And if you can't tell, then you just say there's no correlation or none at all. All right? So the first thing you're going to have to be aware of is finding the correlation from a scatter plot. It could be positive, it could be negative, or there might not be any at all. All right. Well, I just kind of made those scatter plots up. You're probably going to have to make some scatter plots today. And what's going to happen is you're going to be given like an XY chart. Okay? You're going to be given some ordered pairs, basically, like this. And here we go, 3, 1, 1, negative 0.5, negative 1, negative 0.5, and negative 2. Okay? So basically what we've got here are a bunch of ordered pairs. All right? Do you see them? All right? And to make a scatter plot, you simply plot them. You graph those points. That's all this is. Okay? 1, 3. 1, 3. 1.5, 1. 2, 1. 2, negative 0.5. 3, negative 1. 3.5, negative 0.5. 4, negative 2. Okay? There's my scatter plot. Could you tell me what the correlation of that is? Doesn't it look like we're going down to the left? Excuse me, down to the right? I said that all wrong, didn't I? Well, that's going to have a negative correlation. Please ignore what I said back in objective number 1. Down and to the right is negative. Up and to the right is positive. So making a scatter plot is simply just, plotting points. Okay? Now, once you have a nice, neat scatter plot, sometimes we like to draw what's known as the best fit line. And this is really objective number 3 that I'm going into right now. I'm going to draw a line that I think really is the best line to represent. Do you see how I tried to go maybe right through the middle of all those points? And when I did it, I actually ended up hitting this point right here, kinda, and this point right here, kinda. And so what I'm going to do is, in objective number 3, I'm going to use those points. Let's see, this one was 1.5, 1. And this one was 4, negative 2. And I'm going to show you how to write the equation of a best fit line, because that's what objective number 3 is. So you've got your scatter plot. You've got these points coming down here. And you draw the line that you think is the best fit for that. And then you pick 2 points off that line, and guess what you do? You write an equation. Yeah. So just a second ago, well, I'm going to pick my own 2 points here. Let's just say that the best 2 points on that line are 2, 2, and 4, negative 3. All right? There's my 2 points. What are you going to do? Well, first of all, find a slope. Yep. 2 minus negative 3 over 2 minus 4. Well, that's 5. That's negative 2. And so the slope of this line is negative 5/2. Pick one of these points. I pick that one. And then write the equation. Y minus 2 equals negative 5/2 times x minus 2. Now you've got yourself an equation for the line that we think is the best fitting line, the line that fits this scatter plot the best. All right? That's what objective 3 is all about. All right? I know I changed it from objective 2 there a little bit, but I think you can follow me. All right? Good luck. Now we're going to do, next section, we'll do something with that. All right? Good luck to you. Let's make sure there isn't an objective 4. Nope. See you.